Welcome back, Brainiacs and, well, brain farters. This is round 1 of Are You Smarter Than a Third Grader? And today we're diving into some good old-fashioned general knowledge. No Googling, no lifelines, no excuses. And if you enjoy getting schooled by a third grader, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'll try not to roast you too hard. What's the name of the planet we live on? Hint, it's not your mom. Unless you're huge. Which, actually, never mind. The correct answer is C, Earth. If you got that wrong, how are you even breathing right now? How many inches are in a foot? If you get this wrong, you should really think hard about your life choices. The correct answer is B. It's 12 inches. If you said anything else, I'm mailing you a ruler. What do plants need to make their own food? Hint, it's not pizza. Or whatever you just had delivered. The correct answer is C, sunshine. If you said anything else, your houseplants are in danger. Which part of speech describes an action? Think real hard. And no, confused isn't one of the options. The correct answer is A, verb. If you pick noun, you're definitely not getting a gold star today. How many continents are there on Earth? You should know this. Don't you dare look at Google Maps. The correct answer is C, 7. And if you had to count on your fingers, yikes! Which body part helps pump blood through your body? If you're alive right now, you should know this. The correct answer is B, heart. And if you said stomach, yeah, I don't think blood belongs in there, champ. How many days are in a leap year? If you missed this, you've officially been defeated by a calendar. The correct answer is C, 366. That's one more day to forget birthdays, miss homework, and blame the system. How many teeth does an adult usually have? And no, we're not counting the ones your uncle's missing. The correct answer is C, 32. Unless you've skipped every dentist appointment ever, then it's a mystery. What tool do scientists use to measure temperature? And no, mom's hand on your forehead doesn't count. The correct answer is B, thermometer. Don't feel like giving a witty remark right now. What's the national bird of the United States? It's big, bold, and definitely not your backyard pigeon. The correct answer is A, bald eagle. Because nothing says freedom like a bird that looks like it bench presses flags. Alright, Brainiacs, tally it up. Drop your score in the comments, and if you got wrecked, subscribe. I'm basically your new teacher now. Alright, it's time for round 2. The first round, that was baby food. Now we go up a level, so if your brain's not warmed up yet, you're already in trouble. What do you get when you mix red and blue? The correct answer is C, purple. It's a royal color, which you are not if you said orange. Which direction does the sun rise from? The correct answer is B, east. Which animal is the largest land mammal? This one has a big attitude, kinda like me on quiz days. The correct answer is C, African elephant. Tall, massive, yes. Which ocean is the biggest? Think really big. Like you lost your Wi-Fi signal, big. The correct answer is B, Pacific. It's so huge, it makes the others look like kiddie pools. What is the name of the imaginary line that divides the Earth into the northern and southern hemispheres? The correct answer is A, equator. Obviously. You know that middle stripe Earth wears like a fancy belt? Which U.S. state is shaped like a boot? If you said Italy, wrong continent, genius. The correct answer is B, Louisiana. It's the only state that doubles as a shoe and floods like one, too. Which continent has the Amazon rainforest? It's green, it's humid, and it has more bugs than your computer. The correct answer is B, South America. What's the name of the closest star to Earth? The correct answer is C, the sun. What's the freezing point of water in degrees Celsius? The correct answer is A, 0 degrees Celsius. In other words, where your brain might be if you got this one wrong. What do you call a scientist who studies rocks? The correct answer is B, geologist. All right, that wraps up round 2. If you crushed it, congrats, nerd. If not, yikes. Because now it's time for the final round. No more training wheels, no mercy, just raw, unfiltered, 3rd grade fury. Don't forget to drop your score in the comments, no lying, I will know, and go ahead and hit that subscribe button, because class is in session, and I'm not done yet. If a triangle has 3 equal sides, what is it called? The correct answer is C, equilateral. What's the perimeter of a square with sides that are 5 inches long? The correct answer is C, 20. 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5. It's not rocket science, guys. Don't overthink it. What's the capital of Canada? The correct answer is B, Ottawa. Bet you were thinking Toronto. Busted. Which planet is closest to the sun? The correct answer is B, Mercury. Who invented the light bulb? You know, the guy who just wanted us to stop tripping over furniture at night. The correct answer is B, Thomas Edison. Lena has 15 marbles. She gives 3 to each of her 4 friends. How many marbles does she have left? The correct answer is A, 3. A bakery sold 24 cupcakes. They packed them into boxes of 6. How many boxes did they use? The correct answer is C, 4, unless you ate a few before boxing them. Then it's jail. A movie starts at 2:15 p.m. and ends at 4 p.m. How long is the movie? The correct answer is C, 1 hour 45 minutes, which is just enough time to fall asleep halfway and pretend you saw the whole thing. Which planet is the hottest in the solar system? The correct answer is C, Venus. Yeah, not Mercury. Venus traps heat like a car with the windows up. Rookie mistake. What does the moon reflect to shine at night? The correct answer is A, the sun's light. Yeah, the moon's not out here glowing on its own like some cosmic flashlight, folks. All Alright, Brainiacs, game over. If you aced it, go brag in the comments. If you didn't, well, welcome to detention. And hey, if you enjoy getting schooled by an 8-year-old, hit that subscribe button. Class is in session every week, and trust me, you don't want to miss roll call. Welcome back, Brainiacs. My name is Calvin, and it's time to test your knowledge with a question straight out of 3rd grade. But don't be fooled, this one's tougher than it looks. And don't forget to subscribe. Trust me, you'll need to practice if you ever want to keep up with a 3rd grader like me. Go ahead, hit that button now. I'll wait. Alright, let's get started. What's the hardest natural substance on Earth? And no, you can't just say your head, even if it feels that way during math class. The correct answer is B, diamond, stronger than anything else in nature. If you guess gold, sorry, that stuff bends faster than my little brother's excuses. Which country is both in Europe and in Asia? The correct answer is A, Turkey. Yup, it sits on 2 continents at once. Talk about not being able to pick a side. Who was the first woman to fly solo across the Atlantic Ocean? Before you say it was Wonder Woman, nope, this one's real history. The correct answer is C, Amelia Earhart. She did it in 1932, way before autopilot and comfy seats. What force keeps us on the ground and stops us from floating into space? The correct answer is A, gravity. Without it, you'd be doing somersaults through the atmosphere. Fun to imagine, but terrible for homework. A school bus has 36 students. If 9 students get off, how many are left? The correct answer is B, 27. That's still a whole lot of noisy kids. I feel bad for the driver, but hey, math is math. What is the capital of France? The correct answer is A, Paris. City of lights, croissant, and more tourists than you can count. Who wrote the Declaration of Independence? The correct answer is B, Thomas Jefferson. What is H2O more commonly known as? The correct answer is B, water. That's right, the stuff you drink, swim in, and spill all over your homework. Which U.S. state is the largest by area? I know exactly what you're thinking right now, aren't I? The correct answer is B, Alaska. Yup, way bigger than Texas. In fact, you could fit Texas inside Alaska twice. Which continent has the most countries? The correct answer is A, Africa. 54 countries packed into one continent. That's more flags than you could ever fit on your bedroom wall. Game over, Brainiacs. If you scored high, congrats. If you didn't, hey, at least you're good at clicking the subscribe button. Now, drop your score in the comments. Go on, I need proof before I crown you smarter than a 3rd grader.